1 full cup beans flour, half cup of water. Make sure your fingers does not touch the beans flour so that it won't get sour when you keep it. Another half cup of water. I used 1 cup of water. If you don't have this measuring cup, please try to get one. It is very important, okay? That is the remaining water. Mix it very well. Make sure there is no any trace of lumps. After mixing it together, cover it and let it rest for 3 hours. Remember, before you make momo, you have to soak your beans. This very beans was not soaked, so cover it for 3 hours. But if you cannot wait for 3 hours, you can cover it for 1 hour or even 2 hours. These are the container I just got. This is what I'm going to use. I bought it for €2.50 and I have 8 of them. I'm using microfish. You can use any fish of your choice. Are you a mother and you are wondering how you can soak your beans flour for 3 hours before preparing your momo? As you woke up in the morning to prepare your children for school, soak your beans flour, take them to school. Before you come back from school, it's already 3 hours. I've already washed the fish. I added half cube and little onion. Allow it to cook for some minutes. Let us wash the containers. You can use any container that you have. You can use plastic ones. You can also use leaves if you have them. The fish is ready. I'm going to be using this very water later. Debone the fish. I have another moi moi recipe on my channel. You can also check it out. And the method I used in that very video is different from this very one you are watching. So I will be leaving the link below this video. I also have how to make plantain moi moi. I will be leaving the link below this video. How to make plantain moi moi. Half cup of crayfish. Select all the dirt from it and rinse it very well. Scotch bonnet pepper. You can add more. 1 seasoning cube. Remember the water from the fish. This is my beans flour. I left it for more than 3 hours. 3 hours and some minutes. Yeah, because I want a perfect moi moi. So just add little water to blend it. Don't blend it for a long time. Oil. I used 1/3 oil. You can use any oil of your choice. So this is what I'm going to put in the pot. One is missing. Just lie it down in the pot. I'm going to be spraying the container with olive oil so that the moi moi will not stick to the container. Make sure the container is not too full. Fish, boiled eggs, I am sealing it very well to prevent water from entering. You have to cover it like this so that water will not enter your moi moi. So I'm just trying to check the moi moi from the other pots. It's ready. Wow. Take a look at this moi moi. Isn't this calling your name? Oh my God, it's very hot. The moi moi is still very hot. I could not even wait for it to cool down. Look at that. Look at that. Delicious. Have you liked my video? Please like this video, share this video with your friends, comment below. Let me know what you think about this video you just watched. How do you make your moi moi? Do you used to use beans flour? Yes, these are the ingredients I used. I used 3 eggs. And this is the cup I used to measure my beans flour. I used olive oil. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. Leave a comment below this video, please. And when you subscribe, don't forget to click on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a video, you will be notified. Watch other videos on my channel. God bless you, and I would like to see you on my next video.